Hey everyone, welcome back to NIEL tutorial with your trainer Shreya. And today I have got a very interesting topic for you that is all about Statue of Unity. Statue of Unity is the statue of one of the most prominent Indian leaders. The first is prominent. Prominent means important or famous. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who is fondly remembered as the Iron Man of India. Fondly, which means with affection or liking. Located in the Indian state of Gujarat, it stands tall at the height of 182 meters. It was Prime Minister Narendra Modi who came up with the idea of building this huge edifice. Edifice means a large building, especially in an impressive way. He announced the construction of this statue in the year 2010. That marked his 10th year as the Chief Minister of Gujarat. The construction of this architectural marvel, however, began much later, in the year 2014. It took 4 years to bring it into form. Marvel. It means something that caused wonders. In Hindi you can say chamatkar. Large number of laborers and architects were employed to construct the statue. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated it on 31st October 2018. The date chosen for the inaugural ceremony was special. It was the 143rd birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The statue has been constructed on the river Island, which is 3.5 kilometers downstream of Narmada Dam. It is divided into 5 zones. Among these, the public has access to only 3 zones. The surroundings adds to the beauty of this statue. Statue of Unity has become the pride of nation within no time. It is the tallest statue in the world and is attracting numerous tourists from around the world. Statue of Unity is truly an engineering marvel. It is a tribute to Indian engineering skills. Our skilled laborers, architects and engineers have received immense appreciation for constructing this intricately designed enormous piece of art. Intricately, which means in a very complicated or detailed manner. We are proud to have the tallest statue of world in our country. Well guys, I hope you got some interesting facts about this Statue of Unity. We'll be back with some other important facts for you. Till then, stay tuned.